What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the Buick again. We need to put on the convertible top and we need to remove the interior as well so it can go to the interior shop guy. But before you start watching this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers and that's a big deal for us. Thanks for subscribing and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so if you want to know where the cover should be, what I noticed is that there are some tiny holes inside the fabric where the big mounting points are. So I just push the screws through so I know exactly in which position the convertible top should go, and now I can easily use the machine to fasten the top. Time to reload. What we're going to do now is cut out a small hole so the bolt will fit through once we install the convertible top again. So what we're going to do now is install the convertible top back on the car. What you want to do is already get your screws and insert them a little bit so it's much easier to find the holes inside the car because it's going to be pretty dark in there. Okay, so this still needs a bit of work, guys. Okay, so we got the roof some sort of installed. It was a ton of hassle because the bolt holes which were originally in the roof didn't fit at all, so we need to cut them out and make it more adjustable. So we are now at the sides, there are still a few wrinkles, but the rear window is fitting perfectly. So what we're going to do now is fasten the top on this rail, close down the top, and then get rid of the last few wrinkles which are still on the side of the top. Okay guys, so after a couple of days of real hustling, we finally got the top installed. We're now letting it warm up in the sun so we can do some final adjustments so we can get the wrinkles from the packaging out of the top. But it was quite a hassle. This is our first top that we installed and we are very happy with this result. So what we're going to do now is take out the interior so we can bring it to the interior repair guy. Okay, so we installed the top, we removed the complete interior, so this will be the end of this video. Guys, once again, we almost hit 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe, like and comment down below, and also make sure that those post notifications are on as well. As always, huge thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.